MaMzobe umemezele ukuthi uyena ozohola ibandla lamaJudiya, and she wants umndeni kaMthembu ukuthi uphuma uphele emzini wawo. Bese kuthi ke unompendulo guys ufuna ukuthi uMaMzobe mamholele njalo ngenyanga ukuze akwazi ukuthi ke athule nemfihlo yabo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 9th to the 13th of October 2023 on Monday. The congregants are shocked by who the regent is. Ntuthuko falls ill and the doctors can't find out what is wrong with him. Difa blows up at Bloda when he asks him about the family skeletons on Tuesday. The regent assumes their rightful position. Sipamanja suspected that the will was fabricated on Wednesday. Difa's manhood is questioned. Ndoda assumes his role as an older brother. MaMzobe flexes her muscle on Thursday. Nomkhosi defies Khulekani. MaMzobe deals with the thorn in her flesh. Ntuthuko miraculously healed on Friday. MaMzobe brings war to the Mthembu doorstep. There are casualties in MaMzobe and Manzimande's war. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.